slow food movement has been part of what we're doing in the culinary community for decades. It is a way of thinking about food where it requires you to be more considerate, to learn the origins of your food, find out how it's produced, whether it's produced ethically, and what the impact of the way you eat is on your community. My background is in the creative sector. Brian and I, as we would spend time together and visit different restaurants and explore different culinary communities, we realized that a lot of restaurants, and especially independent and small restaurants, needed some help on the creative side. Lavery Culinary Group started out focusing on offering creative services to culinary businesses. We also leveraged Brian's expertise to help restaurateurs with menu development, business planning, and other aspects of their business. Through working with restaurants in this way and attending various trainings and conferences, we realized a new trend was emerging in the culinary scene, and this was experiential tourism. The mission of Forest City Culinary Experiences is to offer people a new way to experience food and experience dining. A culinary experience goes beyond simply sitting down in a restaurant, reading the menu, and ordering what you want to eat. In an experience, you get closer with your food, you learn more about it, learn more about the people who are producing it, you might be hands-on. An experience could include a cooking class or a demonstration from the chef. An experience could be meeting the farmer and following the trail of your food all the way from farm to table. And through these experiences, we aim to help people build a deeper connection with the food they eat.